Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a magic wand in VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO application, and to do this, just click on the VSCO app right here. Then you want to go to your studio, and then you want to open the picture that you want to use a magic wand on. So let's say I want to use it maybe on this one right here. Then you want to click the editing button, which is this one right here. And then, as you can see in the top, we do have this magic wand icon. So just let's click on this one. And then, as you can see, we can use the magic wand. To apply it and to save it, you just want to click here. OK. Maybe I'm going to show you on another picture how it works, because this is not the best picture, I would say. Maybe let's use it on this one. Again, editing tools, and we also... No, we don't have the magic wand here, but we do have it also again in the top. And now let's use a magic wand. As you can see, you cannot pretty see this on through the camera that I'm using, but it is like changing colors, the brightness, the sharpness of the photo, and in this case, this particular photo does look better with the magic wand on -6. So this is it. This is how you can use the magic wand on VSCO. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!